So welcome to this chapter. In this section, what we're going to do is talk about ChatGPT, what it is, how you can use it, and really get an overall fundamental understanding of the magical genie in a bottle that this AI tool actually is. And we're going to learn what we can do to use it for our job, for our personal projects, for creative endeavors, and really anything. So let's hop into the info. So first of all, what is it? It's an AI language model trained on a massive amount of text data that generates natural language responses. That's the key to ChatGPT in a conversational style. So what that leads to is the future of it. So tools like this and other tools are really going to seamlessly be integrated into our entire daily lives, into our computers, into our smartphones, and eventually what we're going to have is literal full-time AI assistants in life. If you have a problem with your wife or girlfriend, the AI co-pilot or personal assistant is going to know you, your demographic, your spending habits, your emotional tendencies, really who you are and all your personality traits. And this is the first wave of what this is going to be. So understanding it now is going to do wonders for you down the road. But really, we're all going to have these personal AI assistants that are going to be able to speak to us just as a human does. But the difference is it's plugged into billions of pieces of content and data, just like a superhuman brain. So it knows a lot more than the average person knows. So that's going to be the future of it. It's going to be custom tailored to you, and it's going to be able to offer you any information and advice that you need. So the main benefits of this are, of course, the first one, saving time, saving time, saving time. That's the big takeaway with all these AI tools is what it does is it's not going to necessarily be bad in the sense that it will change people's jobs and be a radical disruptor. So it's going to be a massive time saver. And what else that leads to is it's going to also allow for you as a creative or a business professional to extend into fields outside of your normal expertise. So you can say yes to new jobs, even though jobs will change, some will be taken away and some will be added. At the end of the day, if you know how to use these tools on a fundamental level and for your specific job, then you can use it to say yes to more gigs. If it extends beyond what you would normally not be able to do, something like ChatGPT, the only problem is the name of this tool. I swear they need to change that. But it allows for you to extend beyond your general field of expertise, and it also allows for you to quickly get ideas off the ground and reiterate much, much more effectively and efficiently. The first part of brainstorming and creativity, of getting your ideas out and remixing them, and brainstorming is very time consuming. With something like this, what we're going to learn to do is be able to quickly reiterate and create new ideas. So with that said, let's talk about the main types of outputs that really help to categorize the abilities of ChatGPT into different categories. So the first one that we're going to cover is synthesizing info, and this is one of the huge parts of this tool. You're able to summarize massive amounts of content in a clear and concise way. Up next is content creation and copy. This is where we're going to generate brand new content on a specific topic for a specific purpose. After that, we're going to talk about learning and research. We're going to be able to get questions answered super effectively and super quickly without wasting any time. And lastly, we're going to talk about coding. So we'll get into generating code, info on programming concepts and APIs, and debugging. So now that you see what we're going to get into in this chapter, next up we're going to talk about why Google is different from ChatGPT and how it matters for you.